Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. In today's class, we are going to learn comprehension. So, here we'll be given one story, and by reading that story, we need to write the answers for the questions given under that. Okay, let us see. Today, we are going to read one story about a famous person called Birbal. Okay, he was a minister in the Akbar's court, the King Akbar's court. I will read the story for you. Listen carefully. Birbal was one of the Navratnas of Akbar's court. He was known far and wide in the city of Agra for being as wise as an owl. People would visit him in large numbers to get solutions to their problems. Okay, here the writer is saying that Birbal is, we all know that. Yes, no, children? Yeah. Birbal was one of the Navratnas of Akbar's court. So he was one of the 9 ministers that were present in Akbar's court. Okay, and he was well known for his wisdom. Here we can learn this simile, as wise as an owl. Okay, yeah. The people would visit him for large number to get solutions to their problems. So people would come for solutions for their problems to Birbal. Okay, once a rich merchant, went to Birbal and told him that he had been robbed by someone. He suspected one of his servants had committed the theft. He requested Birbal to help him catch the culprit. Birbal agreed to help the merchant. Okay, one day one rich merchant went to Birbal and asked Birbal to help him because he was robbed by one of his servants. He suspected that. Okay, the next day Birbal went to the merchant's house and called all the servants. He gave them a stick each and told them that all the sticks were equal in length. He then added, "These sticks are magical. The thief's stick will grow 2 inches longer at night. So keep the sticks with you through the night and bring them back to me in the morning." So Birbal told, he went to the merchant's house and he called all the servants and he told them that he was going to give them a stake, each one a stake, and those sticks were magical and they would grow 2 inches longer at night, and he told them to keep the sticks with them during the night, and he told them to bring them back in the morning to him. Okay, the next morning Birbal visited the merchant again. He called all the servants and asked them to return the sticks. All the sticks except one were of the same length. Only one stick was shorter by 2 inches. Birbal knew immediately who the thief was. He pointed out the thief to the merchant and said he foolishly cut his stick short by 2 inches, fearing that it would grow longer than the others. All the sticks are normal sticks. I lied about them being magical. So the next morning, Birbal again visited the merchant's house and he called all the servants and asked them to show their sticks. Except one stick, all the sticks were of the same length, and that stick which was brought before him by one servant was shorter by 2 inches. The servant thought that if he cuts the stick by 2 inches, even if it grows 2 inches longer also, it would be the same length. So thinking in that in his mind, he cut 2 inches from that stick. But here Birbal caught that servant and told the merchant that the sticks were normal, and he lied that those are magical. So the merchant then thanked Birbal for his help. And what people say about you is true, Birbal. You are indeed one of the cleverest man in the land. He appreciated Birbal and his wisdom. Okay, children, I think you understood the story. Now we need to answer the bit part. Okay, Birbal was famous for being what? A rich man or a wise man, a kind man or an arrogant man? Yes, being a wise man. He was famous for being a wise man. So C would be the correct answer. Here I wrote the answers first, but afterwards I thought of making this video so that it would be helpful for you. So you can see the answers. Yeah, I rubbed them actually. Okay, people went to Birbal for what? To borrow money from him. Here we are given options, multiple choice. To learn magic from him, to ask him about Akbar, or to get solution to their problems. Yeah, D is correct one. They went to Birbal for the solutions for their problems. Okay, next. See, the merchant said that he had been robbed by someone, or he had been cheated by someone, or he had been threatened by someone, or he had been tricked by someone. What is the correct answer, children? Yeah, A. He had been robbed by someone is the correct answer. Next, Birbal gave a stick to each of the dash. Merchant's relatives, B. Merchant's sons, or C. Neighbors of the merchant, or D. Merchant's servants. Which one is correct? He gave 6 sticks to merchant's servants. So D is the correct answer here. Next, fifth one. Birbal found that one of the sticks was dash than the others. A. 3 inches shorter, B. 2 inches longer, C. 2 inches shorter, D. 5 inches longer. So which is the correct answer? Yeah, 2 inches shorter. That is C. It is the correct answer, children. Yeah. Next. See, here itself we can see answer these questions are given. So we need to answer those questions in a short manner. Okay. I will post the answers for you later in the group. Okay. As of now, you can I will skip this portion because I am going to post the answers for you in the PDF form, and we will discuss these answers in the online Google Meet. Okay, that's why I am skipping that exercise. Yeah, let us see the third C Roman. C exercise. Find words in story which mean the following. The crime of stealing. So what do we call it? Yeah, theft. Next, a person who has done something illegal. What would we call him? Yes, culprit. So, a person who does something illegal is called culprit. Who did something illegal. Okay, next, stupidly. What is there with the same meaning in the lesson, which gives the same meaning as stupidly? Yes, foolishly. Next, at once. At once. Yes, it is suddenly or immediately. In the story, the word is immediately. Yeah. Next. Next exercise, that is D. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Okay. Now, Birbal was famous dash Agra as a wise man. Where he was famous? In the city of Agra. So, in Birbal was famous in Agra as a wise man. Once or twice, if you read the story, you can easily answer these questions without any difficulty. Okay, yeah. One day, a merchant came to Birbal dash help. So, if you read the first paragraph, you would be able to answer these questions. I mean, this blank. Yeah, the merchant came to Birbal for help. Yeah. Next one, third. Birbal asked the merchant's servants to keep the stakes dash them dash the night. What is the answer? What did he tell them to do? Yeah, he told them to keep the sticks with them through the night. So, here in the first blank, we should write with, and the next blank, we can write through. Yeah. Fourth one. He said that the thief's stick would grow dash 2 inches. He said that the thief's stick would grow grow longer by 2 inches is the correct answer. By is the correct preposition here. We should use. Yeah. Next one. Birbal found the culprit by looking dash the sticks. By looking at the sticks. Yes. So, we completed these exercises. Actually, comprehension is to be done by you people only. Students should write the answers reading those stories. So, I just did this one for you. You need to find the answers hereafter. Anyway, I will help you in finding answers. Okay, children? That's all for today's class. We'll meet in the Google Meet. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.